texting you, if they texting me, they texting us.
I need a nigga who ain't afraid to make it known. Need a nigga who ain't afraid to unlock his phone. For you, it ain't for you. If you gon' be on that bullshit, and I know you.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Shanti. We're going to be installing this realistic Yaki straight bob wig with bangs. Honestly, this literally shocked me because I'm not even into bangs or short hair or bobs, but this will change your life. I swear to God, this was giving everything that I needed to receive, honestly, and literally a throw on and go, you guys. If you want it for back to school, this is super affordable. It's under $100, and with my code you can receive some coin off. So make sure you guys stay tuned and check out this undetectable lace wig, which has a scalp effect, so it literally looks like it's growing from your scalp. You guys definitely stay tuned to see how I throw on this wig and I went about my day, because it's literally a throw on and go wig. So since this wig literally has this scalp effect that's already bleached, it came pre-bleached, I don't have to do it. And I just love that it literally looks like scalp. Some wigs, it'll just be sewn on top, but this is giving you, this is my hair. I'm gonna just throw this on. It's gonna be super easy. I'm excited to try this bob. Stay tuned. This is actually freaking cute on me. Oh my god. I thought it was gonna look weird because I don't like bangs on me, but this is, wow. Okay, let me not jump too far ahead. You don't even have to like use a flat iron or nothing. Like, this is this is good to go. You could literally walk out like this. Stop playing. Let me change my shirt.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
You guys, I'm literally bobbing my head because this is giving the bob that you're supposed to have, period. This is super cute, and I love the texture. It's very natural looking. And you guys, do you see that part? Literally, they say that if you want dudes to leave you alone, rock a bob. That's the vibe, you guys. This is the repellent to get these dudes to leave you alone. Now let me stop, but for some reason people don't like bobs, but this is mad cute. And you watching this video, I know you like this bob too, so make sure you check that description down below. Check out lovemehair.com so that you can get this bomb wig, you guys. It's super cute and affordable. And girl, I didn't even do anything. You didn't even have to curl the bangs. I just prefer to do that because it was like getting in my eyes and stuff. But look, all I did was bump it a little bit, and that was all she wrote. I really do like this hair, you guys. The texture, like I said, is natural, is soft. When I took it out the box, I felt like, okay, this is definitely a throw on and go. I put it on and it proved me right. Like, I didn't have to straighten it or nothing. I didn't have to flatten it out. Literally just throw it on and go. I'm feeling this, and I'm not even into short hair, but this is giving. Definitely check that link down below if you want to get the information on this wig, because I know that you do, girl. Treat yourself. Stop thinking that you're overspending. I know we still in a little pandemic, but come on, girl, it's back to school time. I know you want to look cute and brand new. This is a good way to start a throw on and go wig. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Make sure you hit the thumbs up for more content and comment down below any questions. I'm here to answer you guys, so see you guys in the next video.
Don't hang with jealous bitches, that's a weak disease. Hold on, run up. If you're broken in my business, then just shut up.
Taking trips, had to get away, baby. Posting pics.